Shells of the sea, a safe little home. God made them all so we never roam. On the fifth day, that's what he said, nature's treasure where we tread.
Tiny and shiny in colors bright, look in the sand, they sparkle with light. Pick one up, hold it near your ear, whispers of waves you'll always hear. God made the shells on creation's fifth, such little wonders, just like a gift. Shells of the sea, a safe little home. With them we'll never feel alone.
From big old conchs to wee little clams, crabs and snails.